How to set your WhatsApp About permanently. This tutorial shows you what's actually possible with the About duration feature in the latest version of WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp. After that, tap the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. From there, tap on your profile at the top. Right here, tap on the About section and enter the text you want to display. Next up, once you've typed your About, tap on Duration to set how long it stays up. Moving on, tap on Custom, and you'll see options to set it for a specific period. You can set it for up to a month or longer, depending on the available options. From here, tap Save to confirm your About and duration. Finally, keep in mind that with the latest WhatsApp update, the option to set your About permanently has been removed. The longest you can set it for now is a custom duration, so you'll need to come back and renew it once it expires. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.